25 mind-blowing facts about time. Time is relative according to Einstein's theory of relativity. Time is not absolute. The passage of time depends on the speed at which you are moving and the gravitational field you are in. Clocks on a fast-moving spaceship will tick slower than those on Earth. Time dilation in space. Astronauts traveling in space experience time differently than people on Earth. The faster they travel, the slower time passes for them relative to those on Earth. This has been confirmed with atomic clocks on satellites. Time does not flow equally everywhere. Time flows differently depending on where you are in the universe. Clocks near massive objects like black holes or neutron stars tick slower than those farther away from such objects due to extreme gravitational fields. The arrow of time refers to the one-way direction of time from the past to the future. This phenomenon is tied to the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy disorder increases over time. Time can be bent, time can be warped by gravitational fields. A strong gravitational field, like that of a planet or star, can bend the fabric of space-time, which can alter how time flows in different regions of space. Black holes and time. In a black hole's event horizon, time theoretically stops. As you approach the event horizon of a black hole, time slows down relative to the outside universe. And at the event horizon itself, time ceases to exist as we understand it. The Big Bang and time as we know it began with the Big Bang around 13.8 billion years ago. Before this event, the concept of time doesn't apply, as the universe was concentrated in a singularity where all of space and time were compressed. Time travel could be possible, though time travel to the past seems impossible. Some theories in physics suggest it could be possible under certain conditions. Wormholes, for example, are hypothetical tunnels in space-time that could, in theory, allow travel between different points in time. Time doesn't exist in quantum mechanics. In the quantum realm, time is not treated as a continuous variable. Some quantum theories suggest time itself may emerge from a deeper, more fundamental layer of the universe. Time is a human construct. Time, as we understand it, hours, minutes, seconds, was created by humans to organize our lives. In the natural world, time is not divided into neat intervals. It is continuous and often non-linear. Time perception changes with age. As we grow older, time seems to pass faster. This is because as you accumulate more experiences, each new moment becomes a smaller percentage of your overall life, making it feel like time is accelerating. The speed of light is a cosmic speed limit. Nothing can travel faster than the speed of light, 299,792 kilometers per second. If you could travel at the speed of light, time would stop for you, according to the theory of relativity. The past is still there in relativity. The past, present, and future could all exist simultaneously. This idea, known as block universe theory, suggests that time is like a block where every moment in time, past, present, and future, exists at once. Time in a higher dimension. Some theories suggest that time could exist in higher dimensions beyond the 3 dimensions, 3 spatial dimensions, and time. If this is the case, our perception of time as a linear progression might be a limitation of our 4D experience. Your future might be determined in the deterministic view of the universe. Everything that happens, including your future, is preordained. According to this view, if we knew all the laws of physics and had all the initial conditions, we could predict the future with perfect accuracy. Time can be measured with extreme precision. The most accurate atomic clocks today are so precise they can measure time to 1 second every 33 billion years. These clocks are essential for GPS satellites and experiments in fundamental physics. The now doesn't exist. Philosophers and physicists have long debated whether the present moment truly exists. Some suggest that the now is just an illusion because of the finite speed of light, meaning we are always seeing events from the past. Time can be quantized. Some theories in quantum physics propose that time might not be continuous but rather quantized, meaning that time could come in small chunks or quantum units, rather than flowing smoothly. Time in the future may be different. The future could unfold differently from how we imagine. Events like the expansion of the universe could lead to the heat death of the universe, where time, as we know it, could cease to have meaning in a dark, cold, and disordered future. The speed of time varies with altitude. The higher you are in a gravitational field, for example, on a mountain, the faster time passes compared to someone at sea level. This is a result of the weaker gravitational pull at higher altitudes. Time and memory are linked. Our sense of time is deeply tied to memory. The more memories we accumulate, the more we feel that time is passing quickly. Events that have emotional significance tend to stand out, making the past feel longer or shorter. The time of day is artificial. The division of time into 24-hour days, with 60 minutes in an hour and 60 seconds in a minute, is entirely artificial. Other cultures have used different timekeeping systems, and even nature doesn't divide time into such neat intervals. The end of time, the universe is expanding, and eventually, it could reach a point where all matter and energy are so spread out that time as we know it would no longer have any meaning. This could happen in a big freeze. Time in other universes and the multiverse hypothesis, where there could be multiple universes with different physical laws. Time might not operate in the same way everywhere. Some universes may have entirely different concepts of time or no time at all. Time machines are possible, while building a time machine is still in the realm of science fiction. Some scientific theories suggest that they might be possible in the distant future. Concepts like traversable wormholes or manipulating space-time might one day allow for time travel.